Hello students, I hope everyone is doing well. So we all know that the situation has become worst because of this pandemic COVID-19. So for our betterment and safety, government has declared lockdown and let us be at home and be safe. When we talk about your academic, so you are left out with still two more papers which we will be completing very soon after this lockdown. So this learning process shouldn't be stopped, right? So we are moving to our next semester, wherein we are beginning with our online classes, wherein we will be sending you pre-recorded videos, and you can sit at your home and you can continue your studying. So coming to the second semester, in that one of the subject offered to you is modern management techniques. So it is one of the subject, or you can say the content where you will be learning about the management techniques wherein which is utilized in day by day in the companies, or you can say in the organizations, okay, which are the updated one. So totally you will be having 5 units here. Coming to the first unit, wherein that will be the introduction part of the management. So wherein you will be learning with the concept, natures and types of managers and the responsibilities, and the skills of professional managers, and the functions of management which is given by the Henry Fayol. I think you all are well versed with this Henry Fayol management principles. Then next, principles of management and difference between administration and management. Then levels of management. Then challenges to the managing 21st century corporation and organization. So looking to this contents, we can say that we will be learning something new in the management which you have already learned apart from that. Then coming to the unit 2, that is functions of management, which includes planning, the meaning of planning, its important and types of plannings. Then after that, organizing, which is a function of the management. So in that, the concept of organizing, principles, the theories, types of organizations. Then moving to the authority, responsibility, power, delegation and decentralization, which are again the functions of management. So you'll be studying in detail here. Then staffing, directing, controlling, coordinating, control, nature, process and techniques. Then moving to the third unit, which is human resource management, which we call as HRM, wherein we are going to learn its meaning, objective and functions. Then the HRM process, that is how HRM exactly takes place, with the job analysis, job design, recruitment, selection and placement. Then next, the training and development of employee, retention, employee modeling and performance appraisal of the employee. Coming to the fourth unit, wherein you are going to learn about setting up of a new business. What are the decisions we are going to take? That is here managerial decision of setting up a new enterprises. So new enterprise. Then determination of the idea, discovery of an idea and its preliminary investigation, how the pricing of the product is done, how the marketing of the product is done, what is the size of your business enterprises, what is the location of your business, then what are the plant and equipments and the layouts. So this is what we are going to study in the fourth unit, which help us to know about the setting up of a new enterprises. Then coming to the last unit, that is office management, wherein we are going to study about the meaning, functions and duties, responsibilities of the office manager. Then managerial functions in the office, then planning and organizing, controlling activities in the office, coordination, then what should be the office layout, the technique and objective of office layout, location of department. So these are the 5 units which we are going to study in this modern management techniques. I know that your base is very good in this subject, which you have learnt in the PUC in your business studies. So this will be the next version, or you can say that updated version, wherein you will come to know about the new things in the management and which are recently adopted by the organizations. So in the next video, we will be starting with the contents of our first unit. Till then, everyone, take care.